Hola, we're back. Part 3. It's part 3 with my best friend. Oh my god, what's that?
Pero we are
Shine bright like a
still
diamond. Oh
discussing
my god, it's
about
because of that boring fan ocean.
difference
Oh no, oh no.
kung deserve nila kaya hindi ang atong operate na sa kinder. Ang ilang kinder wala pa biya subjects. Akong kinder na
Oh my
mga
god.
mag-math,
Why are you
science,
here
and social
again?
studies. So
I already
we are
skipped.
still in the process of
We're
learning.
gonna hear me roar. Oh god. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh my god. Ow, that hurt. Ow, my gosh. God. Wait for me.
So come,
I'm falling, I'm falling.
we cannot
Wait for me.
escort you to the grade 1 and grade 2 classes kay na-change man lang income. Kada po
Wala.
mag-change yung pagbukan. Actually, ang mga
Oh my
teachers,
God.
supo na sila na po, alam na sila sulti. Kaya humana na sila kasi decoration.
How are you jumping?
Nagpabukan mo na mo kay
How? Where are you? I'm right here. See? I'm just right here playing. You fell.
So once the classroom
Why did I
is
fall?
ready and especially on June 8, we can visit classrooms for you to check.
Bye, bilhin na ka.
We declare start of school year is June 8 for our parents orientation at 4 o'clock. But June 9 is the start of kinder, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3 and senior high school. Di na mo
Oh my God, how?
para
How
focus
are you
sa mga
in
teachers
that?
and
I'm here, I'm here. I'm already up here.
And then pag grade June 10 will be the classes of
Okay, so.
the start of the classes of the
Oh,
junior
people.
high
Oh my God, wait for me.
So that will be our introductory block orientation. Following week will be
Oh
the
my gracious.
closing of classes.
Wait. Wait for me.
Wala na, again,
Oh my God, it's scary.
napakasalamat kami.
Mas ugma na naman nabuntag,
At
ikaw nawala.
kami
I just fell, so now with that.
para sa ating Thank you very much for coming. With Jesus in our hearts, and the Father, the Son.
Oh my God.
Salamat. If you have special thoughts,